Are you a homeowner? Have you ever experienced a power outage in your home and wondered what caused it? Well, chances are you have a tripped circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is a device that protects your electrical system from overloading or short-circuiting. When it detects a problem, it automatically shuts off the power to that circuit. This prevents damage to your appliances, wires, and even fires. But don't worry, fixing a tripped circuit breaker is not that hard. You just need to follow these simple steps. First, find your electrical panel. It's usually located in the basement, garage, or closet. It looks like a metal box with a bunch of switches or fuses inside. Next, identify the tripped circuit breaker. It's the one that is in the middle position or has a red or orange indicator. You can also check which appliances or lights are not working and match them with the labels on the panel. Then, turn off the appliances or lights that are connected to the tripped circuit. This will prevent further overloading or short-circuiting when you restore the power. Finally, reset the circuit breaker by flipping it all the way to the off position and then back to the on position. You should hear a click and see the indicator turn green or disappear. If not, try again or call an electrician. And that's it. You have successfully fixed a tripped circuit breaker and restored the power to your home. Now you can enjoy your favorite Netflix show or TikTok video without any interruption. I hope you learned something new today and found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to follow me for more awesome tips and tricks on how to fix things around your house. Thanks for watching and stay safe.